How to change clock font on iPhone lock screen. Let's get started. Swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Now here with that you'll find your clock. Now press and hold on your lock screen. At the bottom you'll see the option of customize. Click on that. Now click over here on the lock screen page. Now from here you can customize your lock screen. You can add the widgets. Likewise you can select the wallpaper. And also you can change the clock font. In order to change the clock font, what you have to do is click on it. With that, font and color options will appear. Just scroll to the right, you're gonna find more options for the font. Now from here you can select the font of your choice. Also you can select the color for the clock. And once you are done, you can click on the option of done given at the top right corner. With that, your clock font and color will be changed on your iPhone screen. So this is how you can easily change clock font on iPhone lock screen. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.